Hey there, hope you all are doing great in 2023. Well, our today's topic is why graphic design is more important than you might think. Well, it's a common perception, especially at the initial stage when we are going to start our career. We are going to think, is it really matter? Well, is it a high paying job, or this is a great opportunity for me, or this is a great profession for me or not? So this kind of questions probably we have in our minds when we are going to start any kind of career. So this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. Well, in this video I'm gonna cover two kind of things. One of them is graphic design as a business perspective and graphic design as a society perspective. So let's watch the complete tutorial. So at the end of this video you'll realize graphic designer and graphic design is really important for our society, for business, for this world. So watch the complete video. After these two perspectives, after these two things like business and society, I'm gonna tell you one more important part of to start any kind of career. So don't forget to share and subscribe the PIXIPACE YouTube channel so that I can share some amazing videos and amazing tips with you every week. So enjoy the video, why graphic design is more important than you think.
Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics.
Well, let's discuss first graphic design as a business perspective. Everywhere in every business, graphic designers are required, from starting to end, from designing brand identity to advertisement to packaging. Everywhere graphic designers are required. And just take as a real example, suppose I wanna start the company of shoes. The name of company would be Paramount Shoes, and I want to start the company. So for that, definitely I need a logo. For that I need a great color combination for that, so that I can promote my brand. Later on I need to advertise it, and without the graphic designer I can't advertisement. So the name of the company would be Paramount Shoes, and the tagline would be shoes for Mars. Let's assume this. So I'm not gonna write 100 or 1000 of words essay to show my shoes qualities, quantities, and what I have, what I'm providing to the audience, what I'm providing to the users, customers, so that they can buy my shoes. So for that I'm not gonna tell everyone this is quality of shoes, these shoes are for Mars, and these shoes are for this, and this is the future of shoes. I'm not gonna tell anyone one by one, or by writing the essays later to my company, later to the shoes. So rather than doing such kind of process, definitely I would hire the graphic designer, so that graphic designer can make a design for me, so that I can convey my message visually with less content and more thinking and more visualization in that poster or in that design, so that I can easily convey my message. So this is the importance of graphic designers and graphic design. To convey the message visually, we need a designers. Graphic design is important to convey the message, so that's why every company, every business require a graphic designers. So this is a one perspective of business. This is why graphic designer is a really important, and graphic design is really important from starting to end. It play a pivotal role in every business. Well, now think about the society. Graphic designers are really advocates for nature, for society, for environment, I can say, or for political. Everywhere graphic designers really play role like advocates, because we are conveying the message easily to everyone, such as say no to drugs, say no to smoking. These kind of these kind of quotes will be easily and with more effectively convey the message in the form of design. So we are really conveying a great message to the society. We are really conveying the message to preserve the nature. So we are playing again pivotal role to our society to save the nature. So this is how we are conveying the message to the society, so that we can save our nature, so that we can save the things which are more important to the society, to the nature, to the world. So this is our importance in our society, in our world, in our city, country, or everywhere. Well, these are the only two perspectives. Another thing is, our world is a global village now. We don't need to send mails, now emails are working. We don't need to use telegrams because mobile phones are working. So that's why our world is global village. So while selecting your future, let's think about that. Is it global future? Is it a global career? Or is it a country level? Or is it a city level? So always try to select your future which is a work as a global level. So always try to find that problem or that career which is at global level, so that you can expand your skill globally, so that you cannot stuck at the same place, cannot stuck at the at tiny place, I can say. Even this is wrong word, I don't need to say this. But yes, while selecting the future, while thinking about the career, thinking about the opportunities are the global level or not. So this is my point of view about the graphic designer, and this is why graphic designers are more important than you might think. So always know your value. You are really important to the business, to every business, or to the society. Don't just stick on posters. Don't just when someone says, can you make a poster for me, then don't easily say yes, because you have your value and you have to respect yourself first. Then then businesses, then society will respect you. So this is my point of view for today. If you have any kind of question or any kind of doubt, then please let me know in a comment section. You are most welcome, and see you in next video. So think it once. If you are a designer, then why you are important to society. If you have any another point, then don't forget to share that point too with me, so that we can also learn from your from everywhere, from each other points, from each other views. So see you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's